Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video, we will look into relative position. So using relative position, we can move elements relative to the normal flow. The CSS relative position relocates the box in relation to its original position in the normal flow. Alright, so when you place a box and in normal flow, how it behaves that we saw in the previous video. The behavior differs between black level element and inline element. In black level element, the elements are stacked up. The flow is from top to bottom. For inline elements, it will be from left to right. So definitely the elements occupies some position in the browser window. In relative position, we can specify where the box is from its current location offered by the normal flow. To enable this, we have to use the position property and set the value relative. So we have to use the property as position relative. So once you specify that, we are telling that we are setting up a relative position for the specific element where the rule is applied. We can do the relocation using the offset properties top, left, right and bottom. For example, if we specify top as 20 pixel, the box moves 20 pixels downward from its original position. Let's state that this is our browser window, and when using the normal flow, let's state that there is a specific div tag that is located at this specific location. Let's state that this is a div tag. Any black level element we can take. Inline also we can take, but here in this example we took a div tag. So in normal flow, let's state that the div will be here, and this is the box that defines the div element. And the moment we say top 20 pixel, the box moves downwards from its original position. Right? So top 20 pixels. So first stuff what we have to specify is position. We have to set value as relative. Then using these offset properties, we can set the relative position. Here if you see top 20 pixel means the box from its original normal flow location moved downward. So that's how the dimensions are, right? This is top, left, right, bottom. Since we specify positive 20, it moved downward. Similarly, top minus 20 px moves the box upward from the original normal flow location. So for normal flow, you can refer our previous video. So if this is the location of div tag in normal flow, the moment you set top minus 20 pix position relative, the box will move upward. So if you see here in relative position, the movement is downward when you specify 20 pixel. Here the movement is in upward direction when you specify minus 20 pixel. So the same way you can use other stuffs as well. Top, right, bottom, you can use positive or negative. Say for example, here we use top right, top plus top minus. If you use left and right, this is how the left moves in positive and in negative direction. Same goes for right and bottom. So what you have to know here is, this is the normal flow location. From this location we specify the relative location. There are two parameters, position, relative. Then we can use top, left, right, bottom attributes. Now let's see an example and we will go to the demo. So here is the HTML document, relative position.html, and that is refreshed here in the browser window. So as usual, we have 4 paragraphs with some inline elements. Here, if you see, we have 4 paragraph elements, paragraph 1, 2, 3, and 4. In that, we have 2 paragraphs marked with the class REL. That means first and third paragraph. Now we will go ahead and define these styles. Here, if you see, for first paragraph, we are setting these styles as border style is solid, border color biscuit, width 3 pixel. Border width is 3 pixel, content width is 200 pixel, padding is 30 pixel, and background color we arbitrarily picked hexadecimal value. Next, we defined style for the italic tag. Border style is solid, color is red, border width is 1 pixel, padding is 1 pixel, and background color is light green. So we already saw this in our previous example. Let us save this, and this is the normal flow, right, for paragraph and italic elements. Now we will set relative element for paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, and you can see how it moves from its current normal flow location. So here relative stands for relative to its current position based on the normal flow. Now let's define style for our first and third paragraph based on the class attribute REL. So first what we do is we are specifying position as a relative. Then we are setting a background color as a light cyan, border colors white smoke. Then here left and top we are specifying, right, left 30 pixel. That means here we are taking rel, right. We will take third paragraph for an example, this one, 30 pixel from left. That means it will move left 30 pixel, top 30 pixel. That means it moves, the new location will be here once I save the document. The same goes for first black level element as well. That means first paragraph also, because here the rule is for p.rel, and first paragraph and third paragraph uses that style because it has a class attribute REL. Now let's save the content, and you can see how the paragraph element is positioned relative to its original location. Since it moved left and somewhat down, paragraph 1 and paragraph 3 is overlapping with the paragraph that is positioned based on the normal flow. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.